Hello audience, you're welcome to our channel. Today we'll continue on Algebra, and this is series 2. If you are yet to complete exercise 1, kindly pause the video and try the questions. Here are the solution to exercise 1. Now today we'll be looking at more examples on addition, how to add like and unlike terms. We're going to be looking at more examples on this aspect. Now let's look at example 1. Example 1 says 5x plus 2x plus 2y. Now let's look at this number. This 5x plus 2x, they both have the same variable. So we can add these two numbers together. So we have 5 plus 2, which is equal to what? 7. You remember in our series 1, we say when they have the same variable, you can add up the coefficient, right? I hope you can remember. Now, we pick up the variable and just put up one of the variable. Then plus 2y. Is it another number that have the same variable as 2y? No, we just pick insert 2y. Now let's look at example 2. Example 2 says 6x plus 10ab plus 4ab. Now let's look at 6x. Is there another number that have the same variable as 6x? No. So we can just say equal to 6x. Then we have another number 10ab plus 4ab. They have the same variable, so we can add up the two numbers together. So we just add up the coefficient 10 plus 4, which is equal to what? 14. So here we just have 14, and the variable is what? AB. We just pick one out of the two variables. I hope it's clear. Now let's look at example 3. Example 3 says 5p plus 2y plus 2p. In this case, 5p and 2p have the same variable, so we can add these two numbers together. So 5p plus 2p is equal to what? 7p. Is that correct? Now, plus, we now have 2y. 2y, is there another number that have the same variable as 2y? No. So we just say plus 2y. I hope it's clear. Now, let's look at example 4. Example 4 says 3y plus 5p plus 2y plus 2p. In this case, how many numbers have the same variable here? We have 3y having the same variable as 2y. Is that okay? Then we also have 5p having the same variable as 2p. Is that okay? Now, so what we need to do is to add up the numbers that have the same variable, which is 3y plus 2y. So what is 3y plus 2y? 5y. Is that correct? Now, we now have plus, we also have 5p plus 2p, which is equal to what? 7p. So here we have 5y plus 7p. Now let's look at example 5. Example 5 says 5a plus 4y plus 4a plus x. In this case, 5a and 4a have the same variable, so we add up the two numbers to have what? 9a. Then we also have another variable, y. Another number with y? No. So we just put up plus 4y. Then we also have another variable, which is what? X. So all we need to do, is there a number with x? No, we just put up x. Is that correct? So hope we are correct here. So if you are still not clear with these examples, feel free to view this video again. You can lay your hands on the following exercise. Kindly await our next series. Please subscribe, like and share our video. Thank you.